how to change font on iPhone iOS 18. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to change the font on iOS 18 in your iPhone. Alright, so let's begin. So first go to the app library and open settings. Then tap on general, which is right above accessibility. After that, scroll down and find the fonts option right above keyboard and tap on it. From here, you can either choose system fonts or download new fonts like Apple Chancery, Arial, Apple Symbols, and more. Next, if you want to use a downloaded font, go to My Fonts. Then you can preview and select the font you want to apply. If needed, you can also remove installed fonts by selecting them and tapping Remove. Alternatively, you can change the font by going to Accessibility instead of General. Then tap on Display and Text Size and turn on Bold Text to make the text bolder. You can also adjust the text size by tapping on Larger Text and increasing the size. After that, you'll see the changes take effect. So that's basically how you can change the font on iOS 18. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.